Hello there, inspiring entrepreneurs. Today, we're delving into an essential topic: 13 keys to a successful B2B sales. In the world of B2B sales, attracting leads and converting them into customers can be very competitive. The importance of a strong sales force for entrepreneurs and sales professionals cannot be underestimated. Such a strategy should not only focus on targeting potential customers, but also give them significant reasons to choose your business over your competitors. However, achieving this goal can be difficult, and many people will be disappointed with ineffective results. In this blog, we will show you 13 proven strategies that can help you increase your B2B sales and provide value to your customers. Whether you're an expert or a novice, these tips can help you increase your sales and achieve business goals. So let's dive in and make the right changes to move your business forward. What is B2B sales? B2B, business to business sales, refers to one business selling products, services, or solutions to another business. The dynamics of B2B sales tend to be more complicated than business to customer B2C sales because they often involve higher dollar value solutions, longer sales cycles, and multiple decision makers. 1. Sell on social media platforms. Social media has become an important tool for B2B sales. Platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn play an important role. These platforms allow businesses to position themselves as industry experts, share customer testimonials, and engage in meaningful conversation with their audience. But to generate effective and motivated leads, it is important to understand the different types of visitors to your company's website. These insights provide information about your target audience, allowing you to tailor your message and content to their needs and interests. 2. Identify your ideal customers and potential buyers. Failure in B2B sales can often be attributed to contacting dishonest people. To prevent this from happening, it's important to research your potential customers and create a clear structure of your ideal customers and buyers. This includes business analysis, job, company revenue, business goals, challenges, hobbies, and other important factors. Product sales become easier by correctly defining the features of ICP. To achieve this, factors such as your target audience, business, revenue, location, interest, pain points, and employees need to be taken into account when promoting your product or service. 3. Coordinate your sales and marketing teams. Coordinating sales and marketing is a key strategy for B2B sales. Working in harmony, the two groups are able to meet customers' needs at every stage of the buyer's journey. The marketing team can provide valuable support to customer acquisition strategies and content strategies, while the sales team focuses on retention strategies and revenue generation strategies. Although the goals of these groups are different, the goal of both is to generate income. So it is important to pursue their goals and objectives together. Your marketing team should constantly create valuable content and nurture leads together with your sales team. By developing your sales and marketing team, you can follow in the footsteps of leading companies that are seeing increased revenue, brand awareness, and usage of their products and services. 4. Use cold calling method. Cold calling is a sales method in which a salesperson initiates phone calls to customers he or she has not called before. But a successful phone conversation requires a good approach rather than just a phone call. Research each potential client before allowing the interview to take place in person. When calling a prospect, asking questions about their challenges and goals can help build a connection and achieve success. 5. Solve customer challenges. Focusing on solving customer pain points rather than focusing on product features is the key to B2B sales. Instead of overwhelming potential customers with a long list of features, take the time to understand their challenges, goals, and pain points. By listening and accepting, you can position your product or service as a direct solution to their specific needs. Make sure your product will elevate their pain points and help them meet their needs. By directing the conversation towards solving their problems, you build confidence and trust. 6. Leverage the use of content marketing. Content marketing is an important strategy for B2B businesses to position themselves as industry leaders and attract customers. This content can take many forms, such as blog posts, white papers, research articles, or video tutorials. Relevant and helpful content not only helps with lead generation, but also nurtures existing leads, taking them on the buyer journey and ultimately increasing your chances of closing the deal. 7. Use video marketing. Video marketing is a powerful tool for promoting B2B sales because it offers a great way to engage with your audience. By using video to showcase your products or services, provide excellent customer service, or provide educational content, you can effectively communicate your needs and create a positive experience. 8. Personalize your customers. Personalization is a powerful force in B2B sales that cannot be underestimated. By understanding your customers' unique needs and preferences, you can deliver solutions that make a deep impact. You can grow relationships with your customers through personal communication, personalized service, and thoughtful feedback by truly talking about their successes, which can ultimately differentiate you from your competitors. 9. Empower your sales representative. Empowering your sales team is critical to achieving the best results in B2B sales. When you empower your salespeople, you give them the tools, resources, and freedom they need to convert leads and close deals. This does not only make your company more competitive, but it can also lead to business growth. The skills and abilities of the individual on the sales team lead to success. Develop the sales team and gain more customers. 10. Use referral marketing. Referral marketing is a powerful strategy to boost B2B sales by tapping into the network of your existing customers. By encouraging them to refer their contacts to your business, you can expand your reach and generate high-quality leads. To effectively leverage referral marketing, provide incentives that motivate customers to refer, such as discounts, exclusive offers, or rewards. Additionally, make the referral process seamless and user-friendly, offering tools like referral links or personalized referral codes. 11. Manage your time for maximum sales productivity. For the greatest B2B sales success, you need to maximize your time and motivation and get more done every day. Begin to track your time and where you're spending it. Then make a plan for how you want to be spending it. The sooner you figure out where your time is going, the sooner you can start maximizing the time you spend on what's really important. 12. Be proactive. Opportunities are out there. Buyers are making strategic investments more frequently and they are open to switching providers. They want your ideas and they want to talk to you early in the buying process. Approach buyer conversations with value and provide new insights and ideas, and you can blow away your sales goals. But you must do this proactively. Conversations with buyers aren't going to fall into your lap. This is also true for conversations about new opportunities with current accounts. You must proactively create conversations with your existing account too if you want to grow them. 13. Drive value. All sellers talk about providing value, but few actually do it well. To drive value, you need to plan to create it. You need to be obsessed with the value you're bringing to buyers in every conversation and every touch. The companies and sellers who do this experience widely better sales results. In conclusion, by implementing a well-rounded set of strategies, businesses can also enhance their B2B sales performance. Also, By consistently adapting to market dynamics and staying customer focused, businesses can thrive in the competitive B2B sales landscape. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more career boosting tips and insights.